You want to start an online Amazon business so your money can work for you and generate more money 24/7, 365 in a semi-passively and sustainable business model. I understand that and I get that. I also get a ton, hey Josh, how much can I expect realistically to make each and every month or my first month? How much can I expect to make each and every year? So what I want you guys to understand is there's over 150 million different products on Amazon. Each and every product has different sourcing costs, has different margins, has more or less overhead. So I want you to thoroughly understand that because I can't give you a magical number, but I can give you a realistic answer, right? So once you identify what your COG or cost of goods is, which you can simply do by going to Alibaba and seeing the average of what suppliers are selling it for, then you want to go into AMZ Hunter and use the FBA calculator, or you can just Google free FBA calculator and use Amazon's. You want to put in the information in reference to how much the product costs. You want to fill everything out, and it's going to give you an estimate of how much it's going to cost to sell that product. Now, what you want to do is subtract what other sellers are selling it for and what you intend on selling that product for, minus the product cost that they're giving you. That includes the FBA fees, the cost of goods, so on and so forth. That's going to give you a net. That net number multiplied by the amount of units you anticipate on selling monthly will give you an estimated number in reference to how much you can expect to make. Now, how do you get that estimated number? You can use a various amount of tools like AMZ Hunter, where we'll actually show you. We have an algorithm in place that looks at multiple different things like BSR, daily units, age of listing, amount of sellers, so on and so forth. It actually populates an estimated monthly amount of sales, and you can multiply that number by your net to come up with a pretty close, accurate number in reference to how much you're going to make. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.